So talking about boba milk, it is a very popular Taiwanese drink. Today, I want to show you how you can make boba from scratch. And we're also going to make a super delicious boba milk. In a pot over low heat, add the water and Taiwanese brown sugar. Stir until dissolved. And bring it to a complete boil. In a large mixing bowl, add the tapioca starch. And we're gonna pour in the boiling liquid. And quickly mix it. Then knead with your hands until everything comes together. On a flat working surface, continue to knead until smooth. Pinch out a small piece of dough. And shape it into a small ball. On a lightly dusted plate,
hold it, mold it, this is not small.
That's good. Place the balls inside and shake the plate around so all the balls are dusted with the starch. In a large pot of water, over high heat, bring it to a boil. Transfer in the boba. Constantly stir for about a minute. And then cook for another 20 minutes until completely cooked through. Turn off the heat and cover the lid for 5 minutes. Now we're going to place the boba in ice water. In a pot over low heat, add the water and Taiwanese brown sugar. Stir until dissolved. And bring it to a complete boil. Return the boba and cook for another 5 minutes. The color of boba will turn darker when you cook it this way. In a glass, add the boba and syrup in it. And move it around. So the syrup will stick to the side. Place in the ice and milk. The boba themselves are kinda chewy, springy. In Chinese, we call it Q-tan. It's just so good and slightly sweet, of course. And the milk is just so good. This really reminds me of a few years back when I was in Taiwan. At the night market, I was holding a boba milk, and this is the exact taste. It's so good. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well, and if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!
Taste the bubble.